Description. Say goodbye to brassy or yellow tones in blonde, bleached or light hair with ColorProof's SignatureBlonde Violet Shampoo. Purple, revitalizing formula leaves hair soft, silky, and restored with excellent color and heat protection. Benefits. Brassy hair corrector neutralizes yellow tones from color-treated hair. Brightens, repairs and adds back shine. Suggested use. Apply to wet hair and lather. Leave on for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse and follow with SignatureBlonde Violet Conditioner. Top reviews from the United States. Love in a bottle. I love this stuff, have been using pure color for years. My hairdresser of 15 years started me on this. During COVID I let my hair grow like many of us, and this blue version is better than ever. No yellow, no blue streaks, no frizz. Pure silvery shine. Lasts forever, don't get scared by the price. The large size, 25 ounces, lasts me well over a year, about 15 months. Yes, I dated the bottle one time just to see. You won't be sorry.